Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden tool set. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Scuddles Garden Tools Set, 8-piece. The Scuddles Gardening Tools Set ensures productivity mixed with a chance to show off a little more of who you are as a gardener. We say this because of the tote bag, which comes with spacious pockets and excellent capacity, but more so because of the pockets' detailed patterns. For some, it might be a minor thing, but if you want to bring your personality into your garden work or encourage your kids to get involved, this is the option for you. Besides this appealing style, it also comes with all the tools you want, providing 5 tools overall in addition to a 25-ounce water sprayer and a pair of robust and safe gardening gloves. The tools fit securely in the exterior pockets and are held in place by elastic bands to keep them from falling out, and you can place the gloves inside the bag along with any other gardening essentials you've already got with you. If you prefer to store your tools in the bag, the pockets are excellent for storing bulbs and seeds so you can reach them in an instant. These tools and accessories make it an excellent choice for beginners, and the sturdy wooden handles ensure longevity. They are also ergonomic and lightweight, making them perfect for longer gardening sessions and ensuring satisfaction whether you're de-weeding the soil or planting something new. Number 2. UKOKE Garden Tools Set, 12-piece aluminum. The UKOKE Garden Tool Set, 12-piece gives you everything you need for a successful garden adventure and then some. It includes all the standard garden tools, including pruning shears, a trowel, and a hand rake, and you can also enjoy additional accessories to diversify your garden exploits to ensure convenience and satisfaction. A gardening apron is included and has 4 useful pockets for storing necessary tools, seeds, and bulbs close to hand. This makes it ideal for tight and tricky areas where you might not be able to squeeze your garden tool bag, which is also included alongside you. For substantial jobs, this saves time and boosts efficiency, allowing you to remain comfortably on task and ensure you don't break your flow. You also get a set of gardening gloves with protective plastic fingers that you can use to take away soil by hand. These gloves are waterproof and durable and are perfect for protecting your fingers while pruning your rose bushes. If you're looking for a garden tool set that provides comfort, this collection offers that in abundance. All the tools are comfortable and get the job done, whatever that might be, and with such a comprehensive set on your hands, you can start looking forward to your garden work, which should be good news to everybody. Number 3. WORKPRO Garden Tools Set, 7-piece. The WORKPRO Garden Tools Set, 7-piece, comes with everything you could need for your garden care, and this makes it a comprehensive choice for both beginners and anyone more experienced with working in the garden. The 7 tools include a weeder, hand fork, hand rake, transplanter, trowel, and pruner. These may mean something to you, but they also may not. However, this is why we're here to explain what everything is and why it's useful for you. Regardless of what you plan on doing in your garden, you'll find something that benefits you. As the name suggests, the weeder is useful for loosening the soil and removing weeds from the garden, which will keep your garden looking fresh and elegant throughout the year. Furthermore, the hand fork and hand rake are miniature versions of the full-size tools you've seen. If not used for garden work, these can aerate the soil and smooth out and break up the dirt, making it easier to mix with fertilizer to encourage plant growth and ensure success. Regardless of what you're trying to sprout, here, you can measure the soil depth to make sure you plant the flowers or seeds in the right place, and then easily dig and cover to ensure they get all the nutrients they need to grow. Finally, the pruner keeps your garden neat and tidy, keeping stray branches and leaves at bay. Number 4. Glaric Garden Tools Set, 10 pieces, gardening. If you're someone who spends most of their free time in the garden caring for your plants, bushes, and flowers, the Alladom Garden Tools Set, 10 pieces is the perfect addition to your projects, great and small. It comes with a range of garden tool essentials, including shears and transplanter shovels, while also including some useful accessories that make this a one-stop shop for all your gardening demands. The handy tote bag is just one of these exceptional accessories, and by keeping everything together, it maximizes your productivity and keeps everything organized. This is ideal for those more laborious jobs that demand you use several types of garden tools before you can call it a day, and you can use the exterior pockets to keep your most frequently used tools within easy access. The tools are secure with an elastic band so that they don't fall out in transit, and it also balances the bag effectively, which makes it easier to carry without feeling the trowel and rake knocking against your legs. This adds some fun to your everyday yard work while also ensuring you have greater versatility across various duties when maintaining your garden. Number 5. FLORA Guard 6-Piece Garden Tool Sets. FLORA Guard 6-Piece Garden Tool Sets is the best choice if you want to make your gardening activities fun, convenient, and secure. It includes highly proficient steel gardening tools that are of the best quality and highly functional tools. This tool set has highly durable tools, but their dimensions are just 15, 8x7, 8x3, 2 inches, and its total weight is merely 9 pounds. The tools are trowel, 5-teeth rake, 9-teeth leaf rake, double hoe 3 prongs, cultivator, weeder, gardening hand tools with high carbon steel heads. They are low-maintenance tools complete with anti-rust and anti-skid technology. The high-carbon steel and tips are shiny, rust-proof, extremely sturdy, and easy to clean. Garden tool set is perfect for a variety of tasks, including digging, weeding, loosening soil, transplanting, and more. The tools are designed in the ergonomic style and with soft TPR handles that make them convenient to use. This tool set also makes a perfect gift idea because of its impressive modern and stylish design. The plastic-made soft grippy handles are used to give you a great working experience, and they also prevent hand and arm fatigue. Work with this set and get great work. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.